With WhatsApp on desktop, you can seamlessly sync all of your chats to your computer so that you can chat on whatever device is most convenient for you. For you to install WhatsApp on your MacBook, you will need to open the App Store. On the search, write WhatsApp. Click on the Get button from the WhatsApp desktop app. You may be required to write a password or use your fingerprint. Complete these requirements. The install has started. After the install is complete, click on Open. To use WhatsApp on desktop, you will need to have installed on your phone this app linked with a mobile phone number. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the menu and select WhatsApp Web. Point the phone camera to this code and the WhatsApp will be linked with your mobile. You have installed WhatsApp on your MacBook. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.